Okay, this is lesson 24 about TCL programming and graphical user interface dialogues, which are the open file dialog box and the save file dialog box. Okay, now our program, okay, is like this. It should look like this, and let me put it always on top. Okay, and open file. Okay, now it says there's no file is opened. By the way, we're not gonna really open a file. All what we're going to do is tell you how to grab the file name that you will be using, or the file path also. So you will use it in a command similar to this one, set file channel. Okay, and open the file path that you've selected and set its reading and writing method. Okay, so it's just about asking for the value of the file path, and the dialog box is of the open should look like this. And if you want to have the instead of the open the save, you will see it here mentioning save. Okay, so and also we're gonna tell you what's the or what or how to save or how to save and set the values in the file names here entry, and how to set and build this menu for the extensions. Okay, I think if you are a usual computer user, so you know that extensions are just you know the endings of the file name, like for example file name.txt, file name for example here you have .c.tcl. Okay, I think you know now. So we need to know how to build this menu. Okay, so I'm gonna press cancel. Now yeah, I'd rather just tell you that if I choose some file, for example here in the end, because it contains, for example, my poems. I'm a poem writer. So see, it tells you that this is the full path, c/home/oracle/poem.txt. So this is the whole file path. Okay, that I will take later. Okay, into this command. Okay, which should open the file for me. So I'm setting the file path through this command. Okay, and this array, okay, you should write it in this methodology. Okay, in this method. Okay, you write the labeling here in the open file. See text file start.txt. So the .txt is let me put this always on top. So this is .txt that you see between the parentheses, and this is the text files that you see beside the parentheses here, this word, and TCL scripts, for example. See, it will take this TCL scripts here and .tcl, all files. Okay, this one, okay, like this. Okay, now so this is how the program works and how it's written. So I set this array name types in this fashion, and I say in the dialog box command, which is the get open file and initial directory, which is the initial directory. When I press open file here to open this dialog box for the open, it will directly switch to this directory. Okay, that's set in the initial directory option, which is now the /home/oracle, my own home directory on Linux. And also there is the default extension, which is the .txt, which is when the dialog box opens, it directly switches to the text files here, okay, in the list. And the file types, okay, takes the types array which is mentioned over here, okay. And the initial file is the sum text which is mentioned here, okay. And multiple, it means that it can take many files at once. Like if I say, for example, I want to have all this, press Control, I can do this, and it will, the file names will be ideas, poem.txt, etc. So if I just press open, okay, so it will tell you a list of file types, of files, sorry, the selected files. So /home oracle some text, /home oracle ideas, poem.txt, youtube.txt. So this is how, okay, this is how it's done. And then I'm using the label just to show you that the variable $path is set through this command, okay. Now regarding the saving, okay, it's the same fashion, but instead of saying open over here, you use save. If I change it to save, okay, and let me close the program and run it again. So it's the same button. It's now not open, but it's going to be save. Oh, sorry, the multiple should be removed, because you can't save multiple. So you get it as a save as. See, you can't do a save multiple, of course you can't, you will not, okay. So you can select many files at the same time, but you can save on only one file, you know. So that's how it works, okay. And that's how I get save as. If I just have a save as and to overwrite, it will tell you whether to overwrite or not, okay. And this is our program, and this is how it works, okay. And this is how the dialogs get open file and get save file are used. And thanks for watching.